collected the stones from here and there from different places, and he just picked up the stones in his beak. अपनी चोंच में, चोंच को क्या कहते हैं हम, beak. So what he did, he picked up the stone from his beak and he carried over to the pot, and whenever he reaches near the pot, he drops that stone. Pot के पास जाकर he used to drop that stone, and this is how the water level came up and the crow drinks that water. Right?
Right.
This was the story. Any other story you remember? Remember any other story?
I am talking Hindi.
Little. Okay.
Okay.
Little English and little Hindi. Okay. Will that be okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say.
Crow is thirsty. Crow was thirsty.
Good.
And water in the pot.
Water was there in the pot. Okay.
Crow see water in the pot.
Very good. Then what happened next? Water level raises. Okay, water level, what happened to the level? It increases. Okay. Then what happened?
Stones on the water, in the water. Throw the crow.
Okay, so you are trying to say that the water came up and the crow drank that water, right? Good. Clap for Ishita. Everybody.
And drinks the water crow. Crow ने पानी पिया था बाद में.
Very good. Alia and Ayan, can you please unmute yourself?
No.
Alia, unmute yourself. Ayan, what are you doing? Are you really in a classroom? Have you heard what Ishita said? She narrated a story to us. Have you heard of that story? Did you listen to her? No. Ishita, I am asking Ayan right now. Did you hear what Ishita said? Ayan, please answer. Alia, did you hear what Ishita said? Say yes or no.
Yes.
You heard. Okay. What about Ayan? How could Ayan hear the story what Ishita told us? Because Ayan was busy in playing, looking here and there. He wasn't focused at all, right? Am I right?
Right.
I will not tolerate this indiscipline in the classroom because others will also get distracted. Okay?
Okay.
Promise me that you won't be doing this thing again. You will listen to other person carefully. Will you listen your classmates now?
Yes.
What will happen if Ishita and Alia start playing while you were telling me something? You will feel bad about it, right? That they are not listening to you. Okay. So today I will be telling you a story. Okay. Then you have to tell me what the story says. Okay. So listen to the story very carefully. I will be sharing my screen with you all so that you can see the story as well. Is my screen visible to you all?
Ma'am.
A picture is here. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this story is about the stork and the crab. This stork is this kind of a bird who feeds upon the water animals. Okay. Now everyone, pin drop silence on your side so that you can. Okay, let me just mute you guys. Okay, and then you can listen to me very carefully so that you do not miss anything. Okay. The stork and the crab. Once upon a time, there lived a stork who used to pick fishes from the pond beside him and eats them. However, as he grew older, he found it difficult to catch a single fish. In order to feed himself, he thought of a plan. He told the fish, frogs, and crabs that some men are planning to fill the pond and grow crops. And that's why there won't be any fish in the pond. He also told them how sad he felt about this and that will miss them all. The fish were sad and asked the stork to help them. The stork promised to take all of them to a bigger pond. However, he told them, as I am old, I can take only a few of you at one go. The stork would take the fishes to a rock, kill them, and eat them up. Every time he was hungry, he would take a few of them to the rock and eat them. There lived a crab in the pond who wanted to go to the bigger pond too. The stork thought of eating the crab for a change and agreed on helping him. On the way, the crab asked the stork, "Where is the big pond?" The stork laughed and pointed to the rock, which was filled with fish bones. The crab realized that the stork would kill him and so quickly thought of a plan to himself, to save himself. He caught the stork's neck and did not let it go until the stork died. So moral of the story was always have a presence of mind and act quickly when in danger. Okay, so this was the story. Let me just brief it up with you. Basically, what happened was that the stork was getting older and older day by day. So he was unable to find food for himself. So he was like, now who is going to help me? Now I have to think of a plan so that I can eat something, so that I can live my life. So what he did, he told everyone in the pond that some people are going to come here and these people will grow crops in this pond. Okay, so you all will be killed. So he threatened them. Okay, everybody thought that Stork is helping them. So Stork told all the fishes and the other animals that I will be taking you to the bigger pond, but as I am old now, I cannot take all of you at one go. So I will be taking few of them at one time. So daily he used to come to the pond, and what he used to do, he takes a few fishes and takes them to the rock, and he used to kill them there and then eat it up. And other fishes were unaware of this, that the fishes were getting killed by the stork, and it was all the plan. Okay, so one day what happened, the crab was insisting the stork to take him to the bigger pond. So what he did, he was like, stork was like, okay, fine, I can take you up for a change. Okay, I can eat something new. He was thinking that. Now what happened was, when he was on the way to the rock, the crab asked the stork, where is the bigger pond, where are you taking me? So he pointed out towards that rock where there were fish of bones he has eaten. So now crab was very clever at that time, so he uses his brain and he planned that he will be attacking the stork, and he just jumped towards the neck of the stork, and he just hold it here till the stork died. Okay, though at the end, what happened was crab was the winner. and the stove was a loser. He died. Is the story clear? You can unmute yourselves now. Okay, Ishita. Ayan, इशिता बेटा अनम्यूट करिए. एक छोटा सा माइक का बटन आ रहा है. या दैट्स फाइन नाउ. ओके ओके कूल. सो कैसी लगी स्टोरी? समझ में आई थोड़ी बहुत? डिड यू गेट व्हाट द स्टोरी वाज अबाउट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is going to tell me the story about? Tell me. Alia, will you tell me? Will you tell me what was the story about?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Very good. Go ahead. Okay, one line will be told by everyone. Okay, one sentence will be told by Alia, then other one with Ayan, then third one with Ishita. Okay, so we will be going by a sequence. Okay, you have to tell me what comes first, then what the next, then. Okay, and so on. So Alia, go ahead. Tell me how the story begins. What were the main characters in the story? आलिया, कैरेक्टर्स कौन कौन से थे स्टोरी में? स्टोरी किसके बारे में है? Ishita, beta wait, let Alia give some answer. Okay. Yes, Alia.
Ma'am, fish.
Okay, about the fish. Only just about the fish. Only just. Okay, Ishita, tell me.
Alia से पूछ रही है. And crab.
Very good. Stoke and the crab. Excellent. And Ayan, how did the story begin? You tell me. Ishita told me the characters. Now you will be telling me how the story begins. Story कैसे शुरू हुई थी? The story begins with nobody heard the story, or you haven't understood. Okay, now do one thing. Okay, Alia, read the first line. Read the first line. This line I am highlighting. Read this yellow line. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second.
One upon a
Time.
time there lived a
Stork.
stall. मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
Who used
to pick
Pick. Hmm.
From the pond.
Beside.
Beside him
Yes.
and
Yes.
eat
Eat.
them.
Hmm.
However, as he
Grew.
grew
Hmm. Older.
he
Found.
it
Hmm. Difficult.
difficult to
Catch.
catch a
Single fish.
single fish.
Very good. Now, Ayan will read from here till here. Okay. This green portion is for Ayan. Okay.
Okay.
Ayan, begin. In.
Mummy,
From here.
क्या बताऊं?
पढ़िए Ayan.
मेरे होंगे और
Hmm.
अरुण दियो.
In order.
In order
आगे.
to
In order to. Feed.
हमें यहाँ पे गिरा दिए. He told the fish not and grab the money grow and catch him while पापा और आम भी बोला और मैंगो भी बोला आम भी बोलो पापा हमने खाती थी अपन he told the fish and frog and crab.
Ayan, can you hear me? Ayan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So I was saying you were not reading properly. Okay. So repeat after me. Is that okay? In order to feed himself, he thought of a plan. He told the fish. Okay, let's do one activity. I will read and you all will read after me. Like Ayan is repeating after me. You all will be repeating after me. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my the washroom.
Yes, you can go. Okay. So everyone will repeat after me. Ishita, is that okay with you?
Yes,
Okay. In order to. Ishita, please repeat after me.
In order to
Feed himself.
feed himself.
He thought of a plan.
He thought of a plan.
He told the fish,
He told the fish,
frogs,
frogs,
and crabs
and crabs
that some men
that some men
are planning to
that some men
are planning to
are planning to
fill the pond
fill the pond
and grow crops.
and grow crops.
And that's why
And that's why
there won't be any fish
there won't be any fish
in the pond.
in the pond.
He also told them
He also told them
how sad he felt
how sad he felt
about this
about this,
and that
and that
he will miss them all.
he will miss
Them all.
all.
The fish were sad
The fish were sad.
and asked the stork to help them
The heart to
and asked
ask
the stork
the store
to help them.
to help them.
The stork promised
The store promised
to take all of them
to take all of them
to a bigger pond.
to a bigger pond.
However,
However,
Ayan, you are not repeating, Alia and Ayan. You both are not repeating. He told them,
he told them,
Alia, repeat after me.
he told them,
He told them,
he told them,
as I am old,
as I am old,
I can take only a few.
I can take only on the few
Of you at one go.
of
Of you at one go.
you at one go.
The stork would take the fishes
Take
the stork would take the fishes to a rock, kill them and eat them up.
eat them up.
Every time
Every time
he was hungry,
he was hungry,
he would take a few
he would take a few
of them
of them
to the rock
to the rock
and eat them.
and eat them.
Okay, so now you got an idea about the story, right? So I will be showing you a video. Okay, so let me just open it up. This is Panchantra story. This story was taken from the book Panchantra. Okay, So let me show you this one.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read.
The Stork and the Crab. Once upon a time, there lived a stork in a pond where plenty of fish lived. He ate the fish from the pond regularly and lived happily. Years passed. The stork grew old and weak. He found it difficult to catch his food, so he decided to play a trick on the fish. The stork acted very sad. He did not even try to catch the fish which passed him. A big crab noticed this and went up to him.
Why do you look so sad? You're not even eating your food.
Oh, crab! I heard some people discussing to close this pond with mud. Everyone will die here.
Hearing this, the fish and crab were alarmed.
Oh God! That's horrible! Please tell us how we can save our lives.
I'm old and weak, but I'll try to help you. There is a bigger and deeper pond some distance away. I can take you there and all of you will be safe.
Soon the stork set out on his first trip. He started taking the fish one by one in his beak and flew away. The cruel stork used to carry the fish to a big rock where he ate them up. That day was the turn of the crab. He hugged the stork's neck and got ready for the journey. On the way, he did not see any pond. Instead, he saw skeletons of fish everywhere and soon understood the stork's plan. So he used all his strength, dug his sharp claws into the stork's neck and killed him. Moral: never trust your enemy.
Believing enemies' words was the prime mistake of fishes. The stork took advantage.
Okay, so did you enjoy watching this story?
Ma'am,
This was?
so small.
You want to see a bigger story then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me show you another story.
Papa. Papa, ये देखो.
Let's watch this, four friends.
Ma'am, this rabbit and turtle fish.
Okay, let's see the hungry mouse. Okay.
Okay. Cartoon TV.
Hello kids! Today I'm going to tell you another new story of Panchatantra. And today's story is The Hungry Mouse. Once upon a time in a village lived a family of mice. Those mouses named Billy had a great craving for food. Eating and sleeping were his only daily activities. In spite of eating a lot, Billy never felt satisfied. Because of his perennial craving for food, his family members were very worried for him.
Son, stop eating in excess, else you'll harm yourself.
Don't worry, Mom. Nothing bad will happen.
Next day, Billy's friend Willie came to invite him to his birthday party.
Hello, my friend. It's my birthday tomorrow. Do come to my birthday party.
Sure, friend. I will definitely come.
Billy went back to his home. A day after, Billy went to Willie's birthday party. Way before the guests arrived, Billy couldn't resist eating the cake and almost finished it. All the guests were infuriated. They told him to leave the party.
You didn't leave anything for us?
Please go away.
You are so gluttonous.
Saddened by the incident, Billy went back to his home. But he experienced no change in his habit. A day after, another friend of Billy came to meet him.
Hey, Billy, let's hit the farms. The soil of the farmers is very fertile these days. We will be having plenty to eat today. Great news! It will be fun. Let's go.
Billy and his friend went to the farms with rest of their companions. Everyone quickly savored everything and satisfied their appetite. But Billy yearned for more and continued eating. Seeing this, his friend said,
Come on, Billy. Eat fast. We have to go. Calm down. What's the need to hurry? First, let me eat and burp out loud. Then we will go.
Billy started eating again. His friend again interrupted him and said,
Please, be fast. Okay.
All of a sudden, everyone started running.
Run, guys, run. The stupid cat has arrived.
All the mouses ran fast, but Billy couldn't do the same, as he had overeaten a lot. He walked slowly and pleaded to his friends.
Please, wait for me.
After that, Billy's foot got stuck. As he tried to set his foot free, the cat approached him.
Ha 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 ha! Who will save you today? I'm going to savor a king-size meal.
Billy got his foot released and somehow managed to run. The cat also started running after Billy. Soon, Billy reached near his house.
Thank God. I'm almost home.
Billy slowed down as he felt relieved, unintentionally giving the cat the idle time to chase him. As Billy entered his house, he got stuck at the entrance. Billy had become so bloated due to overeating that he wasn't able to enter even his own house. Other mouses in the house started pulling Billy in, whereas the cat tried to pull Billy out through his tail. Billy cried out loud.
Ow! Ow!
The cat didn't let go of the tail and continued to pull Billy out. After continuous ruffle, Billy's tail disjointed and the cat fell backward. The mouses somehow pulled Billy in. After this incident, Billy realized his mistake and controlled his perennial craving for food. So kids, from this story, we learn a lesson that excess of everything is bad.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be
Okay, so how many of you understood the story? What was it about? Ishita, would you like to comment over the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say it. Do you enjoy the story?
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the story about?
The story is a hungry mouse.
It was about a hungry mouse. So what he used to do every time?
Eat something food.
He always wants something to eat. Okay, so what happened one day?
One day it happened. The mouse is a tail broken.
Very good. The cat broke the mouse tail. Then what happened, Ayan? You will tell me. Very good, Shita. Keep it up. Ayan, tell me. Then what happened when once his tail was broken? What did the mouse realize? What did the Billy realize at that time? उस क्या लगा, उसने क्या सोचा अपने मन ही मन में जब उसकी टेल टूट गई तो? लगता है अयान के पापा से बात करनी ही पड़ेगी आज, है ना, कि अयान की थोड़ी सी डांट ला दे। अयान सुनता नहीं है बिल्कुल भी क्लास में। आलिया आप बताइए, जब उसकी टेल टूटी थी चूहे की यानी कि बिल्ली की, तो बिल्ली ने क्या सोचा? वेरी गुड, यानी कि अब हम ज्यादा नहीं खाएंगे, अब मैं अपनी डाइट को कंट्रोल में रखूंगा। वेरी गुड आलिया एंड इशिता, both of you are doing well. Okay, keep this up, and I would really love to appreciate Ishita's effort. She's very attentive in the class till now, and I would expect ki all of you just start following how Ishita is responding to us in the classes. Okay, very good Ishita, keep responding like this only. So are you enjoying these classes or you are feeling bored?
Yes, ma'am.
You are enjoying?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like these classes this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then now what you have to do for tomorrow is आप लोग ना सारे बच्चे एक एक स्टोरी सुनकर आएंगे इंग्लिश में। ओके, लेट मी जस्ट ओके या सो सबको एक एक स्टोरी सुननी है, किसी से भी सुन लेना, मम्मा से पापा से, या खुद रीड कर लेना। ओके, और कल की क्लास में जब सब आएंगे तो 1 by 1 सबसे पहले मुझे अयान स्टोरी सुनाएंगे, उसके बाद मुझे आलिया सुनाएंगे और उसके बाद मुझे इशिता सुनाएंगे। विल दैट ओके?
इंग्लिश में स्टोरी सुनाए?
जी जी, याद नहीं करनी स्टोरी, अपने वर्ड्स में सुना देना। थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी के अगर वर्ड्स डालो तो कोई बात नहीं है, but try to communicate with me in English. Is that okay?
Okay.
Ayan, unmute yourself. Yes. Ayan, will that be okay for you? Story पढ़कर आएंगे, सुनकर आएंगे?
Okay.
Okay, then let me just what's the time? Okay, so be on time for tomorrow's class. Okay, so we will be meeting at 9 p.m. tomorrow. At what time we will be meeting tomorrow?
9 p.m.
Very good, 9 p.m. So now that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the story session today.
English.
You liked the session today?
Yes, ma'am.
Alia, you like the class today? Ayan, do you like the class today?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's all for today. So basically for whatever I have shown you today and whatever story we read, so for tomorrow we will be doing this small activity. Okay, just do one thing, किसी से, पापा से, मम्मा से या खुद से इनिशिएटिव लेना और स्टोरी को पढ़ना या कोई स्टोरी सुनना, ठीक है। और उसके बाद कल क्लास में आकर सारे बच्चे 1 by 1 अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करेंगे। सबसे पहले मेरे साथ आलिया शेयर करेंगी, उसके बाद अयान शेयर करेंगे और उसके बाद इशिता शेयर करेंगी। ओके फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, bye bye for today. Yes,
I have a story book.
you have a story book. That's really great. Then read story from that book, Ishita. Okay, very good. Yes, Ayan, you want to say something?
No.
Okay then, bye bye for today. Take care.
Bye.
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 You all can leave the meeting. Good night.
Good night.
Bye bye.